Grade 7 plot diagram, part of quarter 3 exam. Number 1, what is the purpose of the exposition in the story? Letter A, to introduce the characters and setting. Letter B, to build suspense and tension. Letter C, to reveal the story's climax. Letter D, to resolve the conflict. Number 2, in the rising action, the main character faces letter A, the resolution of the story, letter B, a series of conflicts leading to the climax, letter C, the introduction of the setting, letter D, the final outcome of events. Number 3, what is the climax of the story? Letter A, the introduction of the main character. Letter B, the final resolution of the conflict. Letter C, the most exciting and intense moment. Letter D, the beginning of the rising action. Number 4, which part of Freytag's pyramid follows the climax and leads toward the resolution? Letter A, rising action. Letter B, falling action. Letter C, exposition. Letter D, inciting incident. Number 5, what is the resolution in a plot diagram? Letter A, the point where the conflict is introduced. Letter B, the events leading up to the climax. Letter C, the conclusion of the story. Letter D, the most intense moment. Number 6, what event triggers the rising action in Freytag's pyramid? Letter A, resolution. Letter B, exposition. Letter C, inciting incident. Letter D, falling action. In which part of the plot does the main character face conflicts that lead up to the climax? Letter A, exposition. Letter B, resolution. Letter C, rising action. Letter D, falling action. Number 8, the falling action occurs after letter A, the resolution, letter B, the climax, letter C, the exposition, letter D, the rising action. Number 9, in Freytag's pyramid, the term inciting incident refers to A, the introduction of the characters, letter B, the event that sets the story in motion, letter C, the resolution of the conflict, letter D, the conclusion of the plot. Number 10, what is the difference between falling action and resolution? Letter A, falling action introduces conflicts, while resolution resolves them. Letter B, falling action builds tension, while resolution concludes the story. Letter C, falling action leads to the story's ending, while resolution wraps up the narrative. Letter D, falling action is the climax, while resolution is the exposition.